What do I want for breakfast? Sausage patties. Wash your hands. So the supplies we'll need today for our sausage patties are a skillet, spatula, a fork, napkin, a plate, and of course, 2 sausage patties. Let's get cooking. First step, we're going to take our skillet, put it on top of the stove, and turn the stove to medium heat. Next step, we're going to add our 2 sausage patties. Set a timer for 5 minutes. There goes our timer. Turn the timer off. I'm going to flip. Ooh, nice. Our sausage patties. Ooh, nice. And I'm going to cook these on the other side for another 5 minutes. I'm going to set the timer. 5 minutes. Ooh, I wish we had smell-o-vision. Smells so good. Timer's going off. Time to turn off the timer. I'm going to turn off the stove. Now let's put them on the plate. 1, 2 sausage patties. Yum. Now it's time to eat. Great job.
Wash your dishes.
Put food back in the freezer. Throw away trash.